We click on the cabinet, which means we will screw in K, and we have an aluminum profile here at the end. Yes, we press. Yes, the aluminum profile appears. And here, PR also appears. Well, the profile. Let's go here, brand of the profile, and take the RTB profile. Yes, here it is, and we go in here again and see it here. We also have 57, basically 50 profiles. Then we go in here and do it if we need it, meaning for the profile. Now we say OK, and you see it appears here for the profile. Now, if we need a box, we take the box. We will place this placeholder box here. Then we go into the box and say that this box should be an overlay. See, it has raised the sphere, and then we go into the boxes. The number of boxes we will also take OK. Now, first of all, we need to do this thing. Go into the box, go down like this at the bottom, and we have an offset. We will take the overlay. Here it is like this. We will also take the overlay of the alloy. Then, from the bottom, also an overlay. And from the top, also an overlay. You see, it is already in its place well, but we need to fix this now. Again, we click on the box, go into IPR, go into the profile type, like this. And now we need to adjust the U profile. Well, how can we do this? How to adjust the U profile, right? Our box height is 900, right? If we take the calculator here, I will bring out the calculator. You can also write this right here. I will show you now. But for now, the height is also 900. Our box height is 900, right? We divide it by 2, like this. And chat and chat and chat, and we get 450 minus 74. This is the size. This is the size of the profile, minus 74. And, okay, we got 376 here. But I can write it right here, right now. To simply divide 9 by 2 and just subtract 74. Okay. Everything is in its place. We got 376. This size is 376. It's written down. But if we take these numbers, it says 376, but still, this size remains at its place. We got 376. We already need facades. For example, how to reduce the facades for the handle so that we can open it. We click on the body, go in, that is into the box. We enter the box. And we have such a reduction of the facade. We can write it like this, 30, and both facades will be reduced, just like that. All the facades we can freely open and close it. But besides that, if we go into the box and enter the box, yes, right here. And the number of boxes we have is right here, yes. And we move to the box. On the facade here, we can also write 30 here. If we write 30 here now, yes, it will decrease further, but we could also change it from here. This very thing, you know this video, you saw it, and we could change it from here as well. But it needs to be done on both right away, and it changed for both boxes, yes. Well, I apologize. If we look at the back, what did we get? Right now, we got this thing here. And what does it mean? This means that the slider is already fitting onto the U profile. This box needs to be lifted up. If we click here again now and go in, we enter, need to click on the box, go into the box, go here, the number of boxes and move here. Yes, we move here and we have the position of the box, the top box. We need to change the position and we write 35. And you see, it is rising. I think this is all fine. And everything is clean and good now. One thing we need that is essential is the miniature 650, which is crucial, the depth of the box. I think even 600 sometimes. 600, I think it's fine. But these sizes will be decided by you. We certainly do not decide how they should be. That's it. If something like this, everything opens and closes well and so on, this is how you can create a bare profile. If we currently have 3 boxes, for example, yes, how do we do this? So we go back into ZS, select the profile, select, that is, 2 options. If there are 2 for the profile, we say OK. Here. You see everything appears like this. Then we need 3 facades. If we go into the box, we have this option for the box. Oh, here it is. So we go back, and we have 3 boxes, like this. Since we have an order for them to be reduced by 30 cm, they have already been reduced by 30 cm. We already have this order here, so we just need to move these for the profile. And how? Now, we go into K, go into the profile, and go right here. And what do we do right now, perhaps? With embroidery, this one, here's what you need to do. Cevets. Cevets divide by 3 and minus. 74, yes, and here you also need to Cevet. Cevets divide by 3, which means multiply by 2, and minus 74, and let's see what happens, okay? And see that everything fell into place on the cheeks. And if you need it here on the profile and then everything just for the sap, you will need to lift the boxes on them. Click on them. Go in, then the first box, the second one too. 35. Let's see what happens. Everything is okay. Well, everything is good. If you want to reduce this distance between them a bit more, you can reduce it to a minimum in principle. And this is I just showed how it all is done. That's it. Everything has become a show, and I think everything is clear to you. How this should work. I will conclude this video. I think everything is indeed clear to you, how this can and should be done. If we now go to L, the countertop needs to be installed. You can then size the countertop, etc. Here you go, right here. And you absolutely have the drawer completely ready at your disposal. You can save this drawer to your catalog later. Such a drawer and use it whenever you want. I say goodbye to you. Goodbye. Until we meet again.